Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to a new video. So today I just received a package, well basically a skincare haul that I purchased and made from Yesstyle.com. So my makeup's looking a little crusty because it is the end of the day, and just before I remove my makeup I wanted to film this and just get it out of the way because I have used up quite a lot of my skincare products that I currently own, and now is a good time to make some repurchases of old favorites and also try a few new things. So yeah, this is basically what the haul is all about. These three products, this is something that I've tried in the past and it's the Holika Pig Clear Pore Strips or Nose Strips, and I got three different versions. Of course I got the original, and then I got the strong version, and then the third one is the no water version. So that would be interesting because usually with pore strips you tend to wet your nose and then apply the pore strip, and then but these ones are just very interesting because they have 3 steps to it. It's different from western ones like the Pure strips that I use. That one's really good, but of course it's just like a 1-step pore strip. This one has a little bit more to it, so I think I will definitely make a video on these products, even though they are quite old, but these are quite interesting and classic Kbeauty or Korean skincare products, so I got those. Moving on, going back to a repurchase, this is the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I don't really have much to say because this is my holy girl skincare. I ran out, so I just bought a new one, but I also wanted to try a few products, and I bought these 2 products from Some by Me. So the first one is the Miracle Acne Clear Foam. Because I have tried the other products from the brand, like the trial kit, I will post a review on that soon. Just let me organize and sort out my uploading schedule. I actually hoped for a cleansing product that wasn't a bar, and by the time I finished the trial kit this was released, so I kept my eye on this and I just decided to buy it now while I've made this haul. Another product is actually quite new from the brand. This is the Bye Bye Blackhead 30 Days Miracle Green Tea Tox Bubble Cleanser. This is a low pH pore care bubble cleanser. Here in the box it says intensive blackhead care in just 5 minutes. My nose is kind of my big skin concern when it comes to my skin, so I wanted to see if this would be worth trying, and I think I will, try it out first and then eventually do a video on it, but I'm very excited to try that out. So the next product is by Sun & Park, and it's the Beauty Water Toning Pad. It's a new product I guess, but it's also an old favorite of mine. I've been using the Sun & Park Beauty Water for almost a year now, and I just really like it. Well, it's not open right now, but basically if I was to... Should I open it now? I think I should open it a little later. What a tease, oh my gosh, sorry. If I could just give like a simple example. The COSRX Moisture Up Pads, it has the same concept of that, but the product is the Sun & Park Beauty Water. So because I'm enjoying that a lot and this is a little bit more convenient in packaging, I wanted to try this out and see if there is any difference. So I might do a comparison. If not, I'll just probably do a review. Okay, so on to the last 2 products. I'm combining them because they're from the same brand, but these are the Secret Key toners. I previously bought and tried the Tea Tree toner, which was the green one, and now I decided to buy 2. They're quite similar in terms of the skin type it's kind of aimed towards for. But at the same time, I think I've mentioned this in the past, I don't always stick to one toner. It depends on my skin, and it also depends on the season. So it's no longer winter here, but I still wanted to get something that's a little bit more on the hydrating side for when my skin gets really dry out of nowhere. So I did purchase the Milk Brightening Toner. The second one is the yellow version, so This is the Witchhazel Pore Clear Toner. This one's supposed to focus more on pore care, and yeah, I feel like this would be really good for the oilier areas of my face. For these toners, I mean, I won't go crazy with, you know, switching around with either one, but as someone with, you know, combination skin type, I kind of like having that option of having different toners. And since they're from the same brand and this is kind of more on the natural side, it shouldn't be too harmful towards my skin. I know if I go crazy with trying new skincare products, my skin can react a little bit sensitive, but with this brand I don't really have much trouble with it, so I decided to try other versions from this brand, and yeah, we'll see how it works. I'll finally try some of these products tonight, right after this video, when I start removing my makeup and cleansing my face. And then again, I'll most likely do a skincare review or update on most of these products, and then yeah, hopefully this goes well, fingers crossed. But yeah, that's basically it for my skincare haul, but there is one product that I do want to include because it was part of the haul. But this is the Etude House Play 101 Setting Powder, number 5 of the Sebum Control Powder. So, you know, I do love sebum controlling powders for my skin because I do get very oily, and it just looks very travel friendly. I don't know how it will perform yet, but it does seem very interesting. I actually do like the packaging, how it has this little plastic case. You can kind of control the density of the brush depending on how high or low you put this little plastic. I think this would be a really interesting product to try out. That's it for my haul today, so I'm hoping this turned out quite short. Again, these hauls are just for me to kind of give you guys a sneak peek of what kind of video would eventually pop up in the future. It was time for me to get some new skincare products and also try some new products, so I was very excited for this haul, and hopefully I could post reviews or videos on the products very soon. But yeah, it's been a while since I've done a talk through video, so feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to say, feel free to comment down below. Everything will be listed on the description box, so also check that out. I do put a lot of information there, I guess. And also for notifications, I know my notifications can be hidden if you aren't clicking the bell, but yeah, just do that if you would like. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!